but I'm trying to be as quiet as possible because both my son Aaron and nephew are asleep, so I definitely don't want to wake them up. But I'm going to be cleaning out our fridge. It is a complete disaster. Let me show you. So it looks like that, and I'll do like a close-up in just a minute, but this is our side, and then this is my brother's side and my sister-in-law's side. But yeah, it's a mess. Let me show you a close-up real quick. So this is what it looks like. Everything is just kind of thrown in, and like, look at this, just disgusting. Our side is just as gross. Look at that. Oh gosh, it's just all disgusting. So it needs a good wipe down and clean out and all that, and that's what I'm going to be doing while both the boys are napping. That's what it looks like with everything out. Look how disgusting. Oh my gosh. And then that's the door there. And then this side, I haven't finished emptying it out, but I'm gonna start cleaning it because it's beeping at me. I'm gonna use my method cleaner that I use for literally everything, but first I'm gonna wet this and just wipe it down, just wet and grab all the food and everything that has fallen and then clean it up. that is the finished product. Look how pretty that looks. Everything is so clean and right back in order. Looks so pretty, wiped down, organized. Threw away everything that, you know, was kind of like trash and just old. And I'm gonna get a few more of these to kind of organize a little better up here especially, but you get the gist. That is what it looks like. Everything is organized. And that is it for this fridge clean and organized with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any like tips on how to organize it a little better, just let me know in the comments down below. My brother and my sister-in-law are actually moving soon, so we will have our entire fridge back, and then it's gonna be kind of weird to have an entire fridge again. So just let me know down below how I can organize it and make it a little more functional. I do have one more shelf that I can insert, so yeah, just let me know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time in a new video. Bye. Yeah?
That's really nice. Yeah, that's really cool. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. I thought you would enjoy since you're super into this now.
Yeah. When they were talking about maybe not eating so food.
I know, but it's a grill too.
But no, that's so cool, man. Yeah. And it's portable.
Yeah. So we can go to the lake or camp or whatever. We can take it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.